What's going on, YouTube? Brett Seeley here. We are in Mexico with a few of my bestest buds, and we are hanging out, and it's about 10:40. What's today? Monday? On Monday night. And half the house is too tired because they need some beauty sleep. Well, they do because they're ugly as hell. But the other half, they got bored, and so they want to go down to the ocean and do some crazy stuff at nighttime. So we're going to go down and experiment with the nighttime, electricity, and the ocean. I think that's a brilliant idea. What you think? Yep. If you want to follow along, come and see us. We'll be back in 2 seconds. All right, let me introduce you to who we have today. With my little cousin, Juan with the T. We have minority number 2. Really?
Pedro Juan.
Yeah, inline photography in the house. He is one of the first people that said he wasn't gonna go.
I need my beauty sleep too.
That's a true story. He ugly. Hold on. I got you, girl. I got you. This is my buddy Taya. I would show you her face, but she took her makeup off, and so I'm trying to spare you a few things. And so here you go. All right, we got Miss Singer. Go on, sing a line, right?
Really?
Go.
Yeah, go for it.
Oh, she got scared. Yvette in the
I
house.
can't even think of anything.
Hello. Miss Stephanie in the house.
Hi.
We have. Oh, he's looking up for him. Yeah, we got Shannon in the house. She's ready. Yeah. We got Mrs. Spencer.
Oh my god.
And we have another Asian. They all look the same. So that's Asian over there.
They all look the same.
Alright, so before we get started, I'll tell you what we're using today. I'm using Canon 5D Mark. I'm using the crappy camera today because we're using the Ocean. We're using the 80D. Canon 80D with the 1635. Mr. Hobby is using the 5D Mark IV with his little fan. What lens are you using, Hobby? 24-105. We're going to be using a few lights. We're actually going to be using some LED lights to light up the subject so we can see. But then we're going to use some high-speed sync and some TTL to make it really easy. But that's all the boring info. First, let's do some B-roll magic. Ready?
What are you guys doing?
Just kidding. We don't do that here. Let's go.
It went nothing like what we had planned.
No, it was not good.
I thought that was what you wanted.
Yeah, we wanted it better though.
So let's go back to the beaches where I always make you laugh, to the forest where we found a hidden path, to the summertime of 2005 when we were still alive,
Yeah, that works, yeah. Alright, Smarto, come to me.
Actually, can you lay down like that? That was good.
Been like a little mermaid.
Here's the wave. Damn, that's the one. Yeah, we got it. Hell yeah. Too good. Yeah, we got it.
Good job, team.
Woo.